Hi guys, welcome back to the makeup break. Today I have a little bit of a different video for you. As you can see, I have no makeup on, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Birchbox February. So I haven't even opened it, which is a big deal because it arrived like just before yesterday, and I was like, should I open it and then fake that I'm opening it in the video, but I didn't. So as you can see, I mean, I don't want to show you my details, but I haven't opened it at all. So I'm gonna start. It's probably gonna be a bit tricky. Um, I couldn't find any scissors, but I found a pen, and more or less, I'm almost done. Oh, this is open already? Great. They make this a real challenge. Okay. Okay, so the box is like this. It's HBO thin. It says Juego de Tronos here, like in Spanish, Game of Thrones. And it's pretty nice. I could use it for something, probably. I always keep these boxes and then I not always use them. But let's see what's inside. First thing here is an eye serum. Marine Collagen Eye Serum, Brighten and Lighten. And I think I'm going to use this now because I have no makeup on. Wow, the texture is jelly. It's nice. I like it. I don't have any eye products, so this is cool. Okay, that's the product here. I haven't felt any effects yet, so I can't really testify about what it does. But so far it feels good on the skin. And then I have a huge hand cream here. It's by Solarm Cosmetics. And I wish this was like a chunk of makeup. Imagine that was makeup. That's the one thing I don't really like about this Birchbox, is that they give you so much like beauty stuff that's not really makeup. I wish it was all makeup. But I have to say this cream is really nice. It smells very good and it's not greasy or buttery, or it's not annoying on the hands. Like normally I don't really like it. I'm probably gonna give this to my mom. She loves hand creams. And then what do we get here? This is liquid shimmer eyeshadow, which I'm gonna use right now. I thought more makeup stuff would come, but I think it's just one makeup product, which is quite a low proportion, I have to say. Okay, so let's see how this applies. I have to say I love the color. And like a oyster sort of color. And I'm pretty sure it wears on, like it has a very nice... I have another product by this brand, and I have to say I love it. This is like a pinkish color. And for spring, I really like it. Okay, this is pretty cool. I really like this. I rate this. I mean, only one makeup product, but it's a good one. And I can tell this is gonna last quite long. So, well done, Birchbox. I really like this. And I'm gonna keep it. I'll show you right now. Hope you can see this. And the last product, no, there's two more products. There's a lip scrub, vanilla taste, and I'm gonna use this right now. Oh, wow, it's so cool. Is it funny to talk about a lip scrub while scrubbing your lips? But it's pretty cool. I don't think you're meant to eat it. And my lips are quite okay at the moment. They don't need to be scrubbed. Okay, this has left a bit of a funny residue in my mouth. I'm gonna just gently wipe this off. But they left my lips feeling plump and a bit more colorful. And the last product is, oh, I thought it would be from the back here. It looked like a moisturizing cream by Clinique that I already have. So I thought it was this, but no, it's a leave-in treatment for hair, all hair types. Okay, so I'm not gonna try this right now, of course, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish getting ready, and I'm gonna create a look around this eyeshadow that I just applied. So for base, I want something light. I really miss my BB cream from Garnier. I really have a very nice BB cream by Garnier, but I run out and I forgot to buy more, which is a huge mistake. I'm going to use the MAC Face and Body Foundation here. In case you're wondering, I'm case N2B44. And the best thing to do is to apply it with your fingers with this foundation. Otherwise, the brush just sucks it all in. And I just love the finish of this one. It has a weird feeling as you apply it, because it's like the water kind of evaporates on your skin and you feel weird. But it's a very nice light foundation. So what I'm going to do is a little bit of a pinkish themed look. So great for the spring that's coming up soon. And just removing my forehead. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is apply blush. And I want to apply a blush called Rocketeer by Benefit. Whoops. I hope you can see. Never know how to make it show. There we go. So I'm applying it on the cheeks. And I'll apply it on the eyes too, because I think it's a shade that really works with the look that we've got going on. With the same big brush. No fucks given. Okay, I'm going to mattify now. And to do that, I'm going to use a big brush and the Makeup Forever translucent powders here. They're very good, and they're so fine that, like, yeah, I love them. So just on my nose, the areas of the face where I don't want any shine, so my chin as well. My forehead, And that's it. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Misha, what do you call this? Soft Blending Stick Blusher in Sugar Glam. It's this product. It's pretty cool. And it's also pinky and shimmery. Can you see? There. And I just apply it like this on top of the cheeks. And then on the other side, it has a little brush. It's very convenient. On the lips, I'm going to use one of my favorite recent acquisitions from Bourjois. It's this product, the Rouge Edition Velvet. And it's amazing. So, yeah, whatever. Just applying it on my lips. So the next thing I'm going to do is just reapply a bit of a blusher, because the blusher has kind of disappeared into all the makeup that I've put on. And because the lips are so bright, you kind of need a little bit more of a push on the lips. And I'm going to use a different one actually. I'm going to use one that's called Sweet Pink by Too Faced. And it's this one right here. I hope you can see somehow. And just on top of my cheeks. And that's it, really. I think this is a pretty cool look. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get a little fluffy brush. And I'm going to add the BU shade here. Hope you can see it. This one. And I'm just going to add this on the crease. So I don't want the crease to be shimmery. I should have been a bit more careful when applying it before, by the way. And just bringing the product a bit down here. Just kind of a mauve shade. Very nice. And in the inner corner of the eyes, I'm going to use the shade Marvelous here. This one. And just applying it with my fingers in the inner corner of the eye. And of course I'll blend it a little bit. And let's see how this stays on. I'm pretty curious. And well, this fringe, apart from my fringe, which is I'm going to style in a minute, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and let me know if you like the Birchbox this month, if it got the same products as me or some different ones. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!